Right, good morning everyone. I'm now going to show you how to make this particular one. And as you can see, we've got the lace, we've got the trimmings, we've got the cameo, the doily, some metalware. Leaves I'm going to put in this one, small and large. These we're going to make some leaves with as well. And what else did I want? Some small, some of these, the smaller ones. So we've got some of those ready. And what you're going to do is you need your piece of felt. So you need a fairly large piece at the moment. And then what you're going to do is you attach your doily. So we're just going to do that first. And I'm going to centerize, well, kind of centerize it. But move it up to the top a little bit because you're going to need the space to put your doily on. Then we're going to do the doily, so just move that out of the way. Now I've cut this, it's about 8 inches wide. Any doily will do. If it's already gathered, great, you don't need to gather it, but I'm going to have to gather this. And as you can see, it's got little sections here. So I'm just going to the right of the middle, is start it off. Do your first fold and then you can do that again. Oops. Just fold it and then fold the last bit in. That just gives you a nice clean edge. And then you can continue folding this. And again, tuck your last bit in to give you a nice clean edge. So bring your piece back underneath the doily. That is where you're going to sit that doily. Kind of there. So you've got your little frill. Now you need to attach some of your ribbons. So I cut 2 small, 1 large. You will need your needle and thread. And just stitch them. I could pleat, well I could actually. So you don't need to sew, let's do it this way. So fold it back, fold it front. Like that. Take your tweezers. And we'll just seal it off. Like that. And then glue that on. And we're just going to glue the first one over the doily. Sorry, that's too... We need it there. Like that. Then we're going to glue one on top and one underneath. And we're just going to stick that one behind there. Actually, on it there. Like that. Move that up a bit. Just like that. Now, we're going to put the little bit of trimming. Now, you don't need much here, but I'd cut a good 6 inches. And then you just stitch that. Little running stitch. like that. Just to gather that up, not too tightly. And then what we're going to do with this is we're going to fit it in just under here. Like that. And then we need another one double layered on this side, but I'm going to put the leaves on next. Now I may want to cut these down, just snip the ends off, and I'm going to stitch them to gather them. So I'm having mine slightly different, aren't I? Like that. I'll just burnish it, and then I'm just going to glue mine in place. We're going to do one here, like that. Just burnish it. Just do another one there, like that, and then like I say, we're going to put some 2 layers of the frilling. Now that one cuts about 5 inches and the other one about 6. If I do it that way, so just lift that up and turn that around so I can work on it myself. So it's going on there to start with, and that's your first layer on. Don't worry about this, that'll pull out. Like that. And then we're going to sit on this next one. Just below that. So you're just going below that. Slightly below it. Like that. I'm going to lift this up if I can. Now, let me just see, because that's attached itself. There we go. I just need to lift that underneath it. And then that can sit under there, like that. Oh, glue goes straight through. That's it. See how we've got that? So I'm just showing you. Now, got the cameos to put in. It can be a bit tricky because you're not actually showing much of the doily. You could use a bigger doily if you wanted to. There, like that. Just going to set a little bit of glue under there. And a little bit just under there. Now I did put a large flower here. So we're doing that again. Take your metalware and then we sat one here. But that's fine, I want that there. And a couple more of these little tiny roses. Like that there. And I need one more small one just for this one. Now you do need to be able to see the cameo. So move your flower around. You may need to bring that out slightly. I'm not fussed about that, that's fine. This one I'm just gluing down. Like that. I did add some pearly bits and whatnot. Yeah, I'm not too sure I need anything else on mine. I'm not too sure of that now. It's this one I'm not happy with. So I'm going to remove that one. And I'm going to put 3 pearly dots. One, 2, 3. Yeah, slightly different. I wanted that colour on, you see, so that'll get used up somewhere else. Not fussed about that. Not happy with that one. It's too big. I want a smaller one. I'm going to use that one. That's it. And yeah, I'm quite happy with those. I'm just going to put that one in there. So, they're the two. I hope that, I don't want to put them leaves on now, I've changed my mind. I hope that's helpful. They're not hard to do, you just have to play. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.